What a screaming day today. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. The markets are crazy. Now, let's look at the markets here. The S&P daily. Wow. I mean, this dude went up almost 11% today. We're up almost 92 points on the S&P. Unbelievable. Net 91.6. That's just monstrous. We have here a falling wedge formation. We know by going to the chart school that a falling wedge is a bullish formation. Sure enough, we get a pop today, and we have a confirmation with a bullish divergence in the MACD. And we're going down here, but we're going up here. Now, a couple things. I want to zoom in a little bit. I had these lines drawn already on my previous videos, but I want to redraw them here. Look at these two swings. I'm going to draw a trend line right there and drop it. And then these two swing lows right here. Draw another trend line up and drop it. Support, support, resistance. Resistance, resistance. It should act as resistance. Now, let me see if I can connect any more dots here. Perfect. Support, maybe support. Resistance, resistance. Look at that. Puts us right at major resistance. Yes, we did drop, or we did pop over this resistance. Boom, right there, but we still have those two to deal with. Now, are we in for a short-term bounce? Perhaps. Today was a very impressive move to the upside, where there are a lot of short covering taking place. Yes, of course, when you have almost a 900-point move on the Dow. That's huge. Speaking of the Dow, let's take a look at it. There's the Dow. Let's draw a couple trend lines here. I'm just drawing them from swings to swings. We did break that. Very nice. Let's do these two. Well, let's just do the two major ones. Falling wedge, bullish divergence. Perfect. But let's draw these two guys up here. This one looks more bullish. See how we cleared that? Now let's do here to there. We haven't cleared that one yet. Resistance, resistance, boom, right there. We have the 20-day moving average coming down. That's my blue line right there. We have resistance that we have to deal with there. I like the volume that came in, nice volume, but for a major day like this, I would have expected volume to actually been a little higher than what we see here. Let's go further and take a look at the NASDAQ. Here's the NASDAQ. Let's draw a couple trend lines. Let's go here down. Right there, we're at major resistance. Well, let's tweak this a little bit. Just, I always want to go to body to body to body, bodies. I mean, we're at resistance right now. We didn't break anything. Falling wedge, bullish divergence. Now, could we go bullish? The answer is yes, but it's going to have to prove itself to me. I want to see it clear these areas. We need a big update tomorrow. If we get a nice sizable update tomorrow, I'll be looking to go long the market. I'll tell you, I'm still kind of sitting on my hands here. I didn't commit either direction. And any way you shake this, we're still in a downtrend. We have lower swing highs, lower swing lows. That is a downtrend. Now, just like we've been saying though, we could be getting a short-term bounce in the future. And the NASDAQ tends to be a leading indicator a lot of times in reversal patterns in the indices. So pay special attention to the NASDAQ and see if it's leading. Right now it's just converging with the other markets, other indexes or indices. And in the Russells is another one. Let's take a look at the Russells. Here's the Russells. Let's draw a couple trend lines here. Look at this. It hasn't even got to resistance yet. It hasn't got there. We do have a falling wedge, which is bullish. We have a bullish divergence in the MACD, just like all the rest of them. And you see it across the board. Look at all the stocks out there. We have falling wedges. These are very bullish. I love falling wedges as formations. I love them. I love them. I love them. I want to see breakouts, not fake outs. I want to see these things explode, and I want to see big volume following them. I'm not certain that the markets are, I mean, listen, the markets have not healed themselves overnight, and don't expect that they're going to. We have a lot of healing to take place, and it'd be very interesting to see if we do get a bounce here, short-term rally, how long it will actually last. And I'll be looking to short the puddings out of it if it does pop and then we get a reversal. We should have a significant drop. Consumer confidence took it on the nose today when the report came out, and it just blew my mind to see the markets rally like they did right at the end of, I mean, at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time for 2 hours. The last 2 hours of the day was just going straight up, and really impressive. But anyway, watch this Russells. The Russells and the Nasdaq act as leading indicators and major trend reversals on the indices, on the broad markets, and we want to watch these very closely. So anyway, there you have it. The markets look very bullish right now, but I need more. I need it to sell itself to me more. Give me more proof that we're going to bounce. I'm not sold yet, but if we start to make some big moves, making higher highs tomorrow on the markets, I'm going to get out of some of these shorts I'm in right now, and I'm going to be looking for some very yummy, juicy, long positions and hold those just as long as I can while the markets stay strong. So anyway, happy trading. Be very careful out there and watch these markets like a hawk. You want the markets under your microscope on a daily basis, seeing and analyzing what's going on. Falling wedges are in fact bullish. Just watch them, watch them, watch them, and watch them closely. Catch you later. Hope to see you at freetradingvideos.com, and we'll see you in the forums. Catch you later.